Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River Grey Wolf 26 DJSE. No slide out travel trailer with bunk beds in the back, queen bed up front. Dry weight of 4,566 pounds. Has an outside shower. Power tongue jack with two 20-pound LP tanks. You have a quick connect for an LP line for a gas grill. You're also prepped for solar panel. Lots of storage up front. Full power awning. Nice to the ground, stable steps. Large assist handle, the outside speakers, and a hookup for an outside TV. Another rear storage area. Travel rack on your back bumper that folds up out of the way or drops down like this. You can hear grill, coolers, bike. You're prepped for backup camera. Again, lots of storage, nice large windows. As we enter into the 26 DJSE, it's in the Sedona decor. Jackknife sofa, cup holders. Queen walk around bed. Overhead cabinetry. Nice wardrobe space. Ducted AC. Solid surface countertops, a large stainless steel sink. Little countertop extension. Nice full-size drawers. Everything flush mounted. The sink cover and the range cover. A nice size oven. Booth dinette. Bluetooth HDMI ready stereo. Built to inside and outside speakers. Your TV hookup area. Two nice large bunks. Your all-in-one bathroom. Tub surround with the overhead skylight. Your sink and toilet all in one room. Full length 26 DJSE 2019 Forest River Grey Wolf. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today, 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a nice day.